All right, so this is a problem similar to problem 2.6.53 on your homework. And it says find the limit of 2 over x squared minus 4 as, and then it gives multiple different scenarios. So part A, it says as x goes to 2 from the right. Part B says as x goes to 2 from the left. Part C says as x goes to negative 2 from the right. And part D says as x goes to negative 2 from the left. Okay, so we're just really evaluating these 4 different limits here. Let's figure out how we're actually going to do that. Well, the first thing I can notice is that I can really rewrite this limit that we've been given by factoring the bottom, right? So x squared minus 4, that will factor nicely as x plus 2, x minus 2. So we'll notice here that really what we're looking at is a limit that's going to blow up because it's going to go to 0 on the bottom in all of these 4 cases, right? So really what we're going to try and figure out is where it's blowing up to. We want to know if it's going to blow up to positive or negative infinity, because again, it's going to 0 in the denominator and the top is staying as some positive number. Okay, so in the first case, right? In the first case, what do we have on the bottom? Well, as x goes to 2 from above, what are we going to look like on the bottom? Here we're going to go to 4, so that's not an issue. And then this x minus 2, what's that going to look like? Well, 2 is coming from above, right? So these are numbers greater than 2. So this is going to go to 0 from above, right? So this is positive 0 numbers right here. So I have 4 times some positive number. That's still going to be positive. It's going to go to 0, though. That means it's going to blow up, but at least it's going to be positive. So part A is going to give me infinity, right? So this is part A. Part B, well, what do I have then? So same thing up until this point. What do I have? Well, now I still have 4 over on the left here, but now I'm going to have 0 from below, right? So I'm going to be approaching 0 from underneath 0. So this is going to go to negative on the bottom, but it's still positive on top. Positive over negative is negative, so it's negative infinity. Part C. Now it's going to change a little bit because now it's going to be the left-hand side that's going to 0. So I have 2 divided by, on the left, I'm going to negative 2 from the right, right? So negative 2 from above, that means I'm value slightly greater than negative 2. So think something like negative 1.9. Well, negative 1.9 plus 2 is going to be positive, right? So this is really going to approach 0 from above. And then over here, I have negative 4. Okay, well, what do I have? Well, I have positive on top, and I have negative on bottom, because I have positive times negative. So that's going to go to negative infinity. And part D, similar again, except now I'm going to have 2 on top. I'm going to be going 0 from below, so that's going to be negative. And now I'm going to have negative 4 still, so I'm going to have negative times a negative. And so that's going to remain positive on the bottom, so I get positive infinity. So for part A, I get infinity, part B, negative infinity, C, negative infinity, and D, positive infinity.